My name is Diego Rodríguez-Pinzón. I am professorial lecturer in residence at the Washington College of Law American University and co-director of the Academy on Human Rights and Humanitarian Law in that same institution. I have been invited to speak about the Inter-American human rights system and specifically about the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights regarding its working methods, regarding its mandate, and the impact that it has had in the hemisphere. First of all, let me explain briefly what issues I'm going to be trying to deal in this conversation with you. In the first place, I would be dealing with the creation of the Inter-American system itself, to frame then the conversation about the Inter-American Commission and its mandate.